Hi, and welcome to our Math 105 class. Now let's figure out what we need to do to get you started in the course. If you'll notice, I have in your announcements our textbook along with how to get to XYZ, and this is an active link that you can press to get to XYZ to go ahead and either purchase your all access pass or just get the free access, which is available for several days. There's a course ID number that you'll need to plug in order to access my course. You'll need to go to the Start Here section so that you can figure out if you have your computer set up so that you'll be able to access the XYZ homework effectively. And here is the graphing calculator that I expect that that I'll be using, and I'll expect you either have a TI-83, 84. It's okay if you have a Hewlett-Packard or a Casio. Be sure you have a graphing calculator. That'll be very helpful throughout the course. The course ID number in XYZ is very important. You have that. Be sure that you have my email address. This is the best method of contact that you can have for me. You'll want to do an introduction on the discussion board. Blackboard Collaborate. I love to have Blackboard Collaborates with students and we can work through different problems. You will also want to go ahead and sign up for your Proctor site. So get that completed, whether or not you're going to go to the physical location or you are going to use the testing at home, where you'll need different items such as a webcam, microphone, and you'll still have to schedule it though, and you'll have to go to the RPN. You'll have to do a sample test just to make sure you have everything set up. The check-ins are very important with me. If you'll check in with me once a week, you can get some bonus points each week, so that would be great. Let's see what else we have in this. We have the syllabus. Go ahead and print off your syllabus. After you've gone through the Start Here and printed off your syllabus, you'll want to take the Start Here quiz. And this just gives you a copy of the syllabus and you can read through that. Contact instructor, I have given, if you'll notice, my office number at KPC is 225. I also have listed my cell phone. Feel free to text or call. Be sure that you tell me who you are and what class it's for, as I don't have you in my contact list on my telephone. At the discussion board, you'll want to go into the discussion board and go into introductions and then create a thread that tells us who you are, some things about math. You see I created one with some pictures too, because pictures always make things more fun. You can get to XYZ by just typing it in the URL up here, or you can use my link that I've provided. Now sometimes the links get a little funky, and if they get a little funky and they don't work for you, just go into the URL and type it in there. XYZ is where you're going to find all of the videos that I've made, and I'm currently logged in, so I'll go ahead and take you there. You'll find the videos that I've made, you'll find the textbook, you'll find all the homework, and even more importantly, you'll find our schedule. I have another copy of the syllabus listed here if you need that. This is, of course, my view. I don't think yours looks like that. I can click Student so that you can see yours should look something like this. You will also notice that I have the Chapter 8 opened. This is where you'll want to start in your Chapter 8. I have some review options open for you if you want to go to Chapter 5 and Chapter 6, but they are only optional. It's just review only. Any work you do in there, or just if you need that part of the textbook, you can go in there and get that. You will notice in here that you could click here to get to your homework. Here's my instructor video. It is my intent that you will look at the instructor video first. It will take you to YouTube. Hello, and then you'll hear my video on section 8.1, which is on linear inequalities. If you prefer, you can go to the textbook author and he has his own video. Now let's look at this homework. Here's your homework, and you just start by answering these 20 questions. Also in 8.1, you can look at the ebook, and the ebook will take you to section 8.1, and you can choose any one of these other. You'll notice we have other people here that are solving different example problems for you if you prefer to watch one of those. If you have any questions, email me. It's great to email me and I can work through solutions for you. Just tell me which problem number you're having trouble with, or if you want to take a screenshot of your problem, or if you just want to take a picture of your work and send it to me. I can fix your work. I can provide some sort of guidance in how to help you with that. Now here's a question: a student had a problem with an inequality that looked like this during one of the semesters, and I just snipped what their XYZ homework looked like. And if you'll notice, what they requested was they wanted me to go through and explain every single step, which is something that I'll do for students, or if you want a live demonstration, we can do a collaborate as well. The main thing to know is I'm here to help, and if you let me know what you need, I am happy to help. Just be sure and email me and let me know what it is you need. The check-ins are great because you tell me how it's going in the course, and then we try, if you're having trouble with anything, we try to work through and see what we can do to help you. All right, we're going to have a wonderful semester, and I look forward to working with you.